Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is about a topic called the race to $2 trillion in market cap. So I believe one of this company can achieve the staggering figure of $2 trillion. So currently as of today, which is June 12th, this is how they stand. So Google is at 957 billion, Amazon at 1.2 trillion, Microsoft at 1.4 trillion, and Apple at 1.45. So I believe two companies from this list can achieve the $2 trillion mark, and in this process, as an investor, you could gain a substantial return from investment in these companies. So let's look at the detail. So let me pull up this Word file that I did, the analysis that I did. So my top pick is Apple. So I'll give you a few reasons for that. So the number one reason is the iPhone upgrade cycle. There's more than 350 million. There's a potential for more than 350 million iPhone upgrades, and then they are expanding in the wearable market, such as AirPods, Apple Watch, and then there is the services which includes apps, music, cloud, or they're also expanding, and so on and so forth. So, and then any new products, the possibility of new products coming into the market. So all they need to do in order to achieve this staggering figure is through expanding their EPS, which is earning per share, at 15% per year. So here is a kind of a analysis that I did. If what if Apple can grow their profit at 15% per annum? So currently, their estimated EPS, which is earning per share, is 12.38. And if they can achieve 15% growth, which they've done over the years, as you can see here, if you look at Apple as a company, and then if you look at their income statement in the past 4 or 5 years, you will see that you can see it went from $215 billion in revenue to more than 267, and they've expanded their net income. So in order to achieve this super size, so this $2 trillion mark, what they need to do is kind of simple: just increase their earnings at 15% per annum, which is possible considering their the size and the market that they are in. So now let's do the valuation side. How do we get to this 2 trillion? So if you have an EPS of 12.38 as of 2020 and you expand at 15%, you'll get a EPS of 224.9 as of 2024. And if I give a multiple, which is P ratio, which is the number of times the company needs to trade at, you will get a price of $473, and the current outstanding shares is 4.3 billion, and then the total market cap will be $2 trillion. So just to add some additional details, so current share price is $335, and it'll go up to 473 if it achieves, and you can earn a return of 41%. And now I'll come back to my second pick, which is Microsoft, which I believe also has the potential to hit this market cap. So a few reasons are: one is they're expanding their cloud services at a staggering rate of close to 62% per kind of quarter to quarter. So that's going to be a huge driver. And then the other software services, there is the subscription model of Office 365, huge potential for expansion. And then these are mainly large enterprise customers. Their customer base is large enterprises, and there's huge potential for price increases, which in turn increases revenue and profit overall. Competition is low due to the enterprise customers, switching cost. And one thing I want to mention for both these companies is that they have cash of more than $100 billion, which means they can use that for acquisition, buybacks, dividend, etc. Now, also, we just want to quickly take a peek at Microsoft's income statement over the years. If you look at Yahoo Finance, you'll see it has gone from 85 billion dollars to close to 138.6 as of today, and then the earnings have also gone up. So now, if you come to the calculation part of it, Microsoft is expected to earn 5.6 this year, and if they can grow their earnings at 15% per annum, you should get an EPS of 11.44, and you multiply 24, you get a share price of 274 and a $2 trillion market cap based on the outstanding shares. So two things here, and that's from the current share price, it'll be a return of 47%. So two things to consider here is obviously these are tech companies, these are evolving fields where you could see new products coming out, new changes coming out, thereby it could lead to higher competition, which I don't see at this point because these two are leaders in their respective fields. And then the other big thing here is that the share outstanding is as of today, but these companies and we just don't know what the share count will be in the future. But here you go. And then the last two is Google and Amazon. These two could achieve this market cap because they're also in a huge enterprise. And Google has YouTube and other ad services that are expanding, but the valuation has to be a little higher. I mean, I have to give a PE of 56 for Google to achieve that market cap, and Amazon 60, and these are possible. But if given a choice and looking at the valuation side of it, I believe that you know Apple and Microsoft are the clear winners here. That doesn't mean that these companies cannot, or they are expanding. These are tech fields. These are changing, so it's possible. But if they do, they will hit. They'll give you a return of 100% for Google and 63% for Apple as of today's price. So these are good returns. So overall, yeah, my top pick would be Apple number one, and number two is Microsoft. Let me know what you think of this video, and if you have any feedbacks, please comment. Thank you.